Good morning, students. Today our topic is conversion of units of time. We have already discussed about conversion of days into hours. Today we will discuss conversion of years to months and years to days one by one. So let first start with conversion of years into months. Okay. Now we have already discussed there are 12 months in a year. Means 1 year is equal to 12 months. We already know that for conversion of bigger unit into smaller, we use multiplication. Year is bigger unit and month is smaller unit. For conversion of bigger into smaller, we always use multiplication. Okay. For converting years into month, we will multiply it by the number 12. Why? Because 1 year is equal to 12 months. So let us discuss with the help of some examples. Suppose we want to convert 6 years into months. Our first example is how many months are there in 6 years. Now we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 6 years is equal to how many months? 12 into 6. So here 12 6 to 12, 6 1 just 6 plus 1 carry 72. So 72 months. So there are 72 months in 6 years. Okay. Let us discuss second example. Suppose there are 10 years. Then how many months are there in 10 years? Now 1 year is equal to 12 months. Then how many months are there in 10 years? So 10 years is equal to 10 into 12. So how many months? 12 into 10, 120 months. So 120 months are there in 12 years. So for conversion of years into months from bigger to smaller, we will convert by multiply and we will multiply the number by 12. Okay. Suppose question is given in which both years and months are given to you. Suppose question is conversion of 10 years 4 months into months. How many months are there? Okay. Now 10 years 4 months. Now we know that for conversion of years into months, we will multiply the number by 12 and then we will add the given months. Okay. Now 1 year is equal to 12 months. So in 10 years, there are 12 into 10, 120 months. But 4 months are already given to us. So 120 plus 4, 124 months. So in 10 years, 4 months, there are 124 months. Okay. So for converting years and months into months, we will multiply the number by 12 and then we will add the given months to that number. Okay. Now, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to convert 5 years 2 months into months. How many months are there? Now 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 5 year is equal to 12 into 5, 60 months. Okay. In 5 years there are 60 months, but 2 months are already given to us. So we add these 2 months in the given number. So we have 62 months. Okay, so in 5 years 2 months there are 62 months. Okay, now we will discuss conversion of years into days. We have discussed about conversion of years into months. Now we will discuss conversion of years into days. Now we have already discussed in 1 year how many days are there. There are 365 days. 365 days in 1 year. Okay, now how many years? Now let us discuss with the help of some example. Suppose there are 8 years. Okay, now how many days are in 8 years? Okay, we know 1 year is equal to 365 days. So 8 years is equal to 365 multiplied by 8. We will multiply the number by 8. Okay, now start doing multiplication. Multiplication from right side. 8 5 ja 40, 0, 4, carry here, 8 6 ja 48, 48 plus 4, 52, so here 2, 5, carry, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 5, 29, okay, 8 5 ja 40, 4 carry, 6 8 ja 48, 48 plus 4, 52, 5 carry, 8 3 ja 24, 24 plus 5, 29. So we get 2920, means 2920 days. Okay, so for converting years into days we will multiply by 365. Suppose both years and days are given to us. Suppose the question is convert 2 years 24 days into days. Okay, now in 1 year there are 365 days. So in 2 years how many days? 365 multiplied by 2. So how many days? 730 days. Okay, now 24 days are given to us. So we will add 24 to this number. 4 plus 0, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, and here 7. So 754 days. So in 2 years, 24 days, there are 754 days. Okay, we will convert years into days and we will add the given days to that number. Let us discuss one more example. Suppose question is given to us conversion of 3 years and 50 days into days. Okay, so in the same way we will convert years into days and then we will add the given days to that number. So let us start. 1 year is equal to 365 days. So in 3 years how many days? 365 into 3. Multiply the number by 3. 5 3 ja, you can write here like this. 5 3 ja 15, 1 carry. 6 3 ja 18 plus 1, 19, 1 carry. 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 1095 days. Okay, now 50 days are already given to us. We will add this number to this plus 50. So here 5, 9 plus 5, 14, 1, and here 1. So 1145 days. Okay, so in 3 years 50 days there are 145 days. How? We will convert 3 years into days. In 1 year there are 365 days. So in 3 years how many days? 365 into 3. We will multiply the number by 365. So we will get 1095 days. But 50 days are already given to us. So we will add this 50 to the given number. Okay, so we get 1145 days. In this way we can convert years into days or years into months. For conversion of years into months, we will multiply the number by 12, because in 1 year there are 12 months. And for conversion of years into days, we will multiply the number by 365, because in 1 year there are 365 days. And for conversion of bigger unit to smaller, we always use multiplication. This was all about conversion of years into months and years into days.